Yeah, hi. So welcome to SQL Server Analysis. Now I am doing analysis of SQL Server with the help of data of patients data in the real-time data in Andhrapradesh of healthcare. Okay, so this is you can consider as a real-time data. So now I am opening my SQL Server. In that SQL Server, so I will give you one data set which is like contents of CSV file. You can take the data and you can analyze with the help of as per your you can take some more interview questions like some more analysis. It will be useful to do work or do some task with your own ways. Okay, so my SQL Server management today is opening. Okay, in this data we can count so the people who are how many people are required in the same time, the average patients who have outcomes like died in the same time, if you go for to check the shortness of breath, all those things we can identify with help of this data. Okay, first you can check this data. In this data you can check firstly you can go and check new query. In this new query, I'm just using use my data. I'm executing my data. Okay, so here it's completely successful in this scenario. Now I'm opening the table. Select star from patient. Okay, this is a table. See, you can check the columns patient ID, age, gender, district, state, pre-existing condition, symptoms, treatment type, result, recovery status, outcome, duration of treatment, heart rate, blood sugar, column. Okay, so like this we have to check this analysis. Now I'm going for the first question. You can check. Okay, find the find find the number of find the number of patients patients who have recovered. Okay, if recover, if record yes. Okay, for this I am writing SQL query. Select count of, okay, select count star s and taking alias column of record recover. Okay, recover without count from patient patient here recovery status equal to yes. Okay, now I'm assuming this query. You can check this query. See, record count is 1. Okay, so people who is record patient is 1, so he is a 1 person. Okay, so now I'm going further here. What are the logic I have implemented in this query means, okay, I used the column which is recovered status. See, this is a record status column name. After that I'm using the logic which is count star. So the count star, the number of rows that, okay, so the number of rows which is meet the condition. After that if you go, I'm using where condition. So where the record status is yes, it includes the people, only those patients who have recovered. Okay, we are using true or false statement. Okay, now I'm going for second question, which is query to calculate the average age of patients who died. Outcome equal to died. Okay, for this is a real-time data. It is already, I'm getting this data from the government database, which is like a healthcare data. You can take an analysis as per our requirement. Okay, now I'm writing the query for this. Select average of age. Okay, average of age as average age died people. Okay, from where? Patient table. Patient from patient where? Patient where outcome equal to died. Okay, so this is the average dead people. You can execute this query. So there is no average people have died. Okay, and second query. So the same the logic what I have used is columns. I have used the column which is like mm, age column. I have used here. In the same time, the record status. I'm using the record of died peoples. So then reason for because I'm what I'm selecting for this column is, so we are interested in calculate the average age of the patients who has died. Okay, so we're filtering based on the condition. Then I'm going for like I'm using the condition where condition. Okay, now second third question. So write a query to find the patient. Provide the patient with the highest blood pressure. Blood pressure. Okay, so the people who are as the highest blood pressure. Okay, for this I'm writing the query. Select star from patient where patients order the blood pressure. Okay, this is the table I'm taking. Column name, this like listening order. So from order of blood pressure, this blood pressure. What is that? Is blood pressure? See 998,765. So he is the highest blood pressure. Okay. Now I'm using like which is like case statement like and the conditions which is like yes okay. So you can take this simple scenario which is used for write write a SQL query write a SQL query to find the number of patients the number of patients who have pre-existing conditions pre-exiting okay pre-existing conditions equal to s we are giving like false conditions true or false conditions like yes okay and test result equal to positive the test result is positive okay for this I'm writing query select found from patient where pre-executing conditions equal to yes and test result equal to positive. For this I'm exiting this query if we will get the answer okay. So the count is 0. So what is this reasons of select count as patient where pre-existing condition is and test result is positive. So there is no yes and the test result is equal to positive okay. Now this is like which is so another SQL which is the analysis of I'm using this analyze find the male and female patients in the data set okay. Select gender from account of install as patient count from patient group by gender. So now I'm executing this query what will happen you can check. So the female patient is 15 male patient is 15 okay because we are applying here we are applying the gender of group by okay. Now which is like this is another question find the patient who have fever and their symptoms. Now for this I'm writing query select patient ID select patient ID, patient ID comma age, age column, definition column, and symptoms, symptoms from patients where the symptoms the symptoms like fever. Okay, you can check this patient who is symptoms is patient. So patient ID is 1 and the age is 45, symptoms is fever. Okay, like this we can check this where I am using like a wildcard methods, which is like an while like operator. I am getting this filter, I am getting this data like fewer symptoms. And fifth question, which is like this is the last question I'm analyzing, like find find the data, find the patient PATI patients who were treated, who were treated with both medicine, medication, medication and surgery. Okay, so for this submitting is very simple. Select distinct patient, patient ID, comma, treatment type, TR, treatment type, where treatment type like both, like medication, ID is a patient patient ID, treatment type from patients, there is no patient, patient like music, there is no both column, sorry both. If I going to execute this query, there is no, it is simply empty data. Okay, this is the way we have to analyze the data in SQL. Okay, I will give some more interview questions and some more data, you can practice yourself in the data set. Okay,